Hey everybody, it looks like the Google Chromebook icon issue is back. So let's learn how to fix it, at least temporarily until I can figure out what's going on. Okay, so you may have extra icons down here along your Chromebook, or some of them don't work. Okay, so the fix for you is going to be pretty easy. You're going to go to Google Chrome, and then you're going to use, if you're in the North Andrew district, be able to click here on the Google folder that I made in your Bookmarks bar and use this. Alternatively, you can always go to docs.google, sheets.google, all the things.google.com, or if you're going to do a new document, another fun one is to do docs.new. So that's a fun one, docs.new, and it'll automatically take you to a new one. This works for sheets and slides as well. Okay, so what you're going to need to do to fix it all the way is to sign out. And then once you've signed out, you're going to remove yourself as a user. Once you're to this screen, you're going to click here, and then you're going to click Remove Account, which is going to remove you completely from this Chromebook, and then you're just going to sign back in. It should reload all of those icons again, and none of the bad ones should be there. Good luck. Tell all your friends.